everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be filming a room tour because it's been requested a few times by a few of my friends and some people from home, so I thought that's what I'm gonna do. And I thought before I move out end of 2024 that I would show you guys where I've been living at university for the past couple of years. So let's get on with the video. So let's start off at the back of my door here. On the back of my door, I just have dressing gowns, extra bags, some coats, umbrella, things like that. Here, I have K, M, and W. Here's my university ID, which I'm turning around because it's an awful picture. A little star that I made as a child, and obviously face masks. We have Pool Pirates Speedway team from my home. Down here we have my camera bag, my gym bag on top, memory box of birthday things. Down there we have another box and it's got Lego in there. That's a gym waist trainer band. In here I have my shoes, slippers and everything. So over here we have some lights hanging, a painting that I did, another one that I did. We have a mirror which is from IKEA, a rock which is from Mount Vesuvius in Italy, candle from Primark, it's delicious, I love this candle. This body, this is also from Primark. I think this is probably about £7 because it's really heavy. And here's all my jewellery back here. In here I just keep my clothes, some of my clothes like underwear in the top drawer, socks and other things, and then pyjamas in the bottom one, and trousers and tops in the other two. This is my stationery drawers for my desk and uni work and things. So on top I just have a bunch of pens, post-it notes, stamps. Here's some photography books on the side that I've marked out. Down here I have some diaries, some food planners, pages and things like that to keep me on track with my health, mental health and everything. In these drawers are just stationery. I'll show you the top one because it's organised. So I just have some tapes and things in here, some pens. Down there I've got another very heavy photography book. This is my wardrobe. I will not be opening this because it's very messy. I've got a few bags hanging on the front there and a full-length mirror. This is my desk. Down there I just have my sketchbook, watercolour paper and some bullet journaling supplies like scrapbooking things. My bin. Chairs from Argos. Years, it's very old but it's very comfortable. So on top of my desk I just have YouTube video ideas and plan book. My phone, this keyboard which sounds so lovely, listen to this. Here I just have my everyday makeup, everyday skincare. On top I have some cotton pads, Q-tips, beauty blenders. This candle's from Home Bargains. This one's from Primark. This is from AliExpress. Little Bulbasaur cuteness. Got some little products down there, nail polish, setting spray, lamp. Laptop stand is from no it's not, it's from Amazon. Headphones were from Amazon years ago. I need to get some new ones though because look at these. Destroyed. Mirror from Primark. Laptop, Apple. This I just got for my beauty blenders, and this is from Poundland, just a little spray bottle. Some candles, some pens, some metallic pens. These are from Amazon. This is from Primark as well. And my speaker, which I got from Amazon, it's the Soundcore one. So this is my desk. I love it. And above my desk I have all of my paintings and artwork that I've done, so I'll just pan over it for you so you can have a look. And my clock, which I love my clock, it's from Amazon. Here we have my bed. This is a double bed. Blanket. This blanket's from Primark. This one is from B&M. This pillow, pregnancy pillow, is from Argos, Primark. All the toys and things are from different places. These blankets and things are from Primark. These pictures are from Pinterest, but I printed them off with free prints. Dream catchers from one of my holidays. I think I got it from Spain. Strip lights are from Wilkinson's. They were £15 a pack, and I have 2, so that was £30, and I currently have it on pink. On my radiator I have some books that I'm reading. So I've got Becoming Molly May. I have a Rhythms of Life Planet and Journal, How to Kill Your Family, Don't Sweat the Small Stuff, my Switch, and I Am Watching You, which I'm currently reading, my Kindle, and these are some self-help mental books. A little Winnie the Pooh pot with a pen in for these books here. So on my windowsill, all the body figures are from Primark. Glitter candles from B&M. I got given a plant for my birthday a couple of years ago. My little magnetic frog, he stays on my radiator. This is my bedside table. Above I have some more pictures from Pinterest. This is my bedside table. Down here I just have blankets and a load of toys and like some chargers and things. So on my bedside table I have a lamp, I have a Spa Sanctuary sleep spray. This helps me sleep a lot. This candle, which is from Primark, little pine cone. This Evie sleeping thing, that's also from AliExpress. My pills, a little jewellery tray, which is from Primark. My remote control for my LED strips. My drink bottle, my lip mask from W7, my W7 scrunchie, and a picture of me for inspo for my weight loss. It's really pretty. Down here, I have my hairdryer in here. Below it, I have packs of tissues, which I pack in all my bags, so very stocked up. Bottle of Prosecco. Here, I have all of my bullet journaling, scrapbooking supplies, and also in this box. Down here I have spare decor for like Halloween and things. That doesn't fit in there, so my pumpkin just sits there. And these are memory books here. All of my books, the ones I've read, are at the bottom. From The Cottage down I have read, apart from Eat Yourself Happy, which is a food book which I haven't read yet, but there's a lot of books I want to read. This is from Primark. My Bible is not from Primark. A lot of these books are from charity shops. Up here I have a bath bomb, a load of crystals, a little jewellery tray. I keep my broken jewellery in here that I need to fix. My cross isn't broken, it's just tangled at the top. So this is one of those things that you put in the microwave. Mine's lavender. In here I just have a bunch of different things. Febreze at the bottom. The bottom 2 I have bras. The top 2 I have like shipping bags, my toolbox. Up here I just got a bunch of random things. I've got more fluid for my lighters, things like that. This is a diamond painting I did. These are some things my best friend made for my birthday and Christmas. Since living with her, I have some little jewellery pieces here. My Winnie the Pooh ornament, which my best friend got me. And then on top of my chest of drawers, I have all my perfumes and body sprays here. My makeup brushes, my vintage hairbrush and mirror set, my bracelet, a candle. This is an old candle, but in here I keep bobby pins and hairbands. These coasters you might have seen around my room, these are from TK Maxx. They're marble, so they're very heavy. This is from B&M. Little light, filament light. Some Lego. These Lego pieces I got from TikTok shop. And this I got from a charity shop, which is a vintage perfume bottle. I have scales and some photography equipment because I am a photographer. The bottom one is my art drawer, so I've got my nail stuff on this side and my painting stuff on the other side. The middle drawer just has fake tan and a bunch of hair bands and things, but I'm not going to open that. And the top drawer has all my makeup, hair supplies, hair tools, at the back extra skincare and some hair accessories here. It's very messy. That is all for my room tour. If you liked this room tour, then let me know in the comments below, and if you want me to do any other tours of anything else, then let me know what you want to see in the comments below, because I do have my little YouTube book set up now for ideas. So whatever you write down in the comments or message me on Instagram, I will write down and I will film for you when I have the time. Today I have filmed a lot of videos and I think I'm done for today, but we'll see. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and give it a like, thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.